it's a dimple, and I don't really like it because they're very flat. This one is like my favorite though. I give it a 7 out of 10. It's a helicopter, if you can hear it. My next one is this other dimple. It's the same color. I like this one mostly because it flips over on the other side. And then on this side, it just goes on and on. And then I'm going to show you how to make these. Only one video because each dimple is the same. It's just different shapes and stuff. So, yeah. And if you guys didn't know, you guys didn't know, but I got this cool Pop-It. I give it a 9 out of 10 because of the side. I don't really like it. But on this side, this side, it is cool. So, yeah. Stay tuned for part 2. Not really tuned, but on my next video. Bye!